Welcome back to your channel English with Practice. Prepositions of place. You will have 20 questions. She is. The library right now. The answer is A. She is at the library right now. Are you going? The park this afternoon? The answer is C. Are you going to the park this afternoon? The books are. The shelf. The answer is B. The books are in the shelf. He is not. The office right now. The answer is A. He is not at the office right now. We traveled. New York last summer. The answer is C. We traveled to New York last summer. She is sitting. The corner of the room. The answer is B. She is sitting in the corner of the room. They arrived. The airport early in the morning. The answer is A. They arrived at the airport early in the morning. He walked. The store to buy some milk. The answer is C. He walked to the store to buy some milk. There is nothing. The fridge. The answer is B. There is nothing in the fridge. She is not going. The meeting today. The answer is C. She is not going to the meeting today. Are they? The school right now? The answer is A. Are they at the school right now? The keys are not my bag. The answer is B. They are not in my bag. We are going the cinema later tonight. The answer is C. We are going to the cinema later tonight. He is standing the door waiting for you. The answer is A. He is standing at the door waiting for you. Is the cat the box? The answer is B. Is the cat in the box? She was not the party last night. The answer is A. She was not at the party last night. He is planning to travel Japan next month. The answer is C. He is planning to travel to Japan next month. There is a meeting. The conference room. The answer is B. There is a meeting in the conference room. They are not the station yet. The answer is A. They are not at the station yet. Are you moving a new apartment next week? The answer is C. Are you moving to a new apartment next week?